guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. For the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do vlogs, day-wise, fashion. So if you're interested in any kind of those videos, please consider subscribing and be part of my family. So guys, today it's a vlog. I'm just going to be taking you guys around and along, show you guys each and everything that I'll be doing. First of all, I'm going for lunch with my family. Then we're going to Citymall. There's this event. So we will see how the day goes. So just come with me and enjoy the day with me.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me.
So after eating, I decided to go and check the Citymall pop-up market. They usually have some exhibition at Citymall second floor every now and then. Because I remember they had one like few days or few months ago, and now they're having this one. So I guess they usually plan this stuff each now and then. So I guess you can follow them on Instagram to know when they have things like this. So this was kind of interesting. Charcoal.
Yeah. Oh, this is charcoal. There is mixed herbs. There is orange and mango hibiscus. Then there is a rose flavor. There is mint and rosemary flavor. They are finished.
Oh.
And these are salt and sugar scrub. These are great exfoliators.
Yes,
It brings back the moisture into your skin.
Yeah.
These are the masks. There is charcoal. There is pink mask. Pink mask has hibiscus and rose petals. There is green mask. Green has all the green herbs. There is chocolate mask. There is a bridal mask. This is a hair mask to stop the hair fall and promote the hair growth.
Oh.
You just mix it with water.
And then you apply on your
scalp.
Oh,
yes,
wow.
it is kind of a scalp treatment. These are the skin serum, night serum, skin serum to remove the dark spots, dark patches and all.
Serum it goes for how much?
They both are, if you buy both, it's $850, but today's price is $750 because of the market.
Oh.
That's a skin serum. It's vitamin C and saffron base. So initially vitamin C removes the dark areas of the skin.
You said this one is $850?
$850, but today's price is $750.
Hi. Thank you. Is any skincare?
Yeah, natural skin and hair care.
Oh.
This side, this is health product.
To drink?
Yeah,
Detox or?
detox, yeah.
So unazipika kwa maji?
No, it's a biggie. You see, this is seamless.
Uh-huh.
It's ready to use. So what you do,
Uh-huh.
you just take one tablespoon, put it into a tea or story, water, water. It's very good. And then this is a black soap face wash. So this one is very good for any skin condition like pimples, rashes.
Ni for your face?
Yeah, for the face.
Oh.
That's all the dark.
And this one goes for how much?
This is 500, the big one is 1,000.
Oh.
And then we have Nilotic shea butter. Nilotic shea butter is very soft and very moisturizing.
For your skin pia?
For the face and the body.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's nice. You're located where?
We are online at Zingiti_.
That's your card?
Yeah.
Can I have one, please? Thank you. Nice in first serum.
This is serum, yeah. So we have for oily combination skin and then normal to dry skin.
So after the exhibition, we made a quick stop at Carrefour. They usually have good spinach, but today we did not have any luck and the spinach were over. But they usually have good and fresh ones and at a very affordable price. But it was over. So now let's go home. So we go now. No. Naomi. So we are heading back home now. After eating, how was the food?
It was good. It's been a long while. It's been a while. It's been about a minute.
I don't even get time to rest. Now I'm heading to town. I have to send some parcel to a client through Modern Coast. So just come with me as we go and send the parcel. So I'm back home, guys, and I have to make some dinner. I'm just showing you guys how I usually marinate the fish when I want to cook my fish in the oven, how I usually marinate it, what I usually mix. Some fish, and let me tell you the secret to make good fish. And if you're making oven fish, make sure the lemon is enough just to eliminate the fish flavor, yeah, kind of, or the fish smell. Yes, try to add more lemon. And let me tell you, this type of fish is usually so tasty. My family usually loves it. I wish I could just show you guys a video or a photo after, because the only thing that usually remain on that plate are usually bones only. So it's usually nice. So hope you get to enjoy, and let me know in the comment section if you love to try this recipe.